Hey YouTubers, this is Chris with another project for a customer that's I've been doing work for the last 6 or 7 years. He's always wanted one of these old school VW sand rail buggies, and he just got one from eBay here not too long ago, and brought it over here to the shop so I could get going on it and check everything out and fix a few things that needed to be fixed and update some stuff. There's so right now I'm working on the wiring harness. It's had an engine conversion done some time ago. It's no longer a VW engine. It's got the somebody has put a Mitsubishi 4G63T on it, and it's like they done a fairly good job during the install, and I like it. It's got a new radiator on top, but during the course of going over everything, I noticed that the wiring harness that goes with the engine and computer was just basically, it just needs to be rewired. There's a lot of patches into the wiring harness that somebody's made, but you know, normal stuff. Pretty cool old car. So I'm just happy this guy here finally got him a pipe car. Nah. So anyway, I'm in the process of taking the back dash out. It needs some more support underneath here. You can see this aluminum's pretty thin and flexible. And when you have an 8-gallon fuel cell that sits on top of it, and it's full, that's a lot of weight on there. So I need to come in here. I'm getting ready to go in here and put some additional bracing, as you can see. One of the updates I'm doing on the car. Yep, pretty cool setup. But as you can see, you got a pretty messy wiring harness here I'm dealing with. And straightening it out now, getting it straight. And yeah, it wouldn't half run, and it kept cutting out every time it started to build boost, and plus the vehicle had been sitting for a few years, so the fuel tank was almost full, and it was all dirty gas, and the filters were clogged, and so you know, you buy something like this off of eBay, you know how it is. You never know what you're going to get till you get it. But overall, it's a pretty cool deal. It's this customer brings things to me to straighten out and change things to his liking that you know, that needs to be changed. And there's some safety things on the cars, you know. So once I get going on this some more, as you can tell, I probably should have done an earlier video. But stuff like adjusting the pedals for a taller driver, and bleeding the brakes and stuff like that, going over everything. And you always find stuff, and you got to fix it. Otherwise, you'll be broke down on the side of the road somewhere. This car is actually going to be on the street, so street registered on the street. And so hopefully can get this thing straightened out in the next couple days. course, that wiring harness, I'm not going to say how long I've been working on that, but it's been a while. It feels like it's been a while anyway. But yeah, fun times in the shop. Nah, pretty cool build. I like it. I'm glad he got something he really wanted, and so we'll see how things progress, and I will post videos as I will post another video as I start the farther I progress on it. So all right, if you like it, give me a thumbs up and I'll keep posting. Thank you.